Mr. Wright here, and here is a very short film to show you how to get the best out of the channel. First tip, use the channel homepage. Here it is, and you can see that I've organised it into sections. Advice from me, which includes films like paper predictions for the series coming up, that sort of thing. And then a section for algebra, number, shape and space, graphs, and handling data. And under each of those sections, you will find playlists for each topic. So let's have a look at an example. Let's look at the simultaneous equations playlist here. Underneath simultaneous equations, you can see there are lots of how-to films if you want to recap how to do a particular thing. And there are some chances to practice as well. And importantly, at the bottom of most of the playlists, you will find IGCSE question walkthroughs. Generally 2 films, one for grades 4 to 6 and one for questions which are harder, grades 7 to 9. Now, at the bottom of the channel homepage, you will find some different groups of questions. There are some sets of questions, for instance, for grades 6 to 8 with mixed topics. And at the bottom of the page there are lots of past papers which I have walked through solutions for you. So tip number 1 is to use the channel homepage to find what it is you're after. Tip number 2, if you tell me what your target grade is and when you're sitting your IGCSE, then I will get in touch with some personal recommendations for you. Because depending on your target grade and when you're sitting your exams, there are some specific things you can do to maximize your chance of hitting that target when the time comes. So if you'd like to take me up on this offer, hit the link in the film description, fill in the Google form. As I say, I simply need to know what your target grade is and when your exam is, and then I can be in touch with some specific recommendations for you. Right, there you are. Those are the 2 tips. Good luck with your maths. Get in touch if I can help.